Hello everyone, welcome to Dickson's Java 101 tutorial 12. And today I'm going to teach you how to do a switch statement. So let's get started. What is a switch statement? A switch statement executes statements based on the value of a variable or an expression. So for example, I'm going to use the day of the week, assuming that Monday is going to be number 1 and Sunday is going to be number 7. If a user enters today is Friday, or today is Saturday, assuming that I say today is Saturday and Saturday is number 6, and when I hit number 6 into the computer, I want the computer to print out Saturday because 6 is associated to Saturday. An example, if I want to hit Wednesday, I will hit number 3 and I want the user to print out Wednesday. So let's get started. A simple switch statement looks like this. So just go switch, and you have your your condition, your variable inside here. I'm just gonna put variable and put it into comments. And you have open and closing curly brackets. I'm just going to call it the closing switch. Okay, there's some errors, but we're going to fix that later. So I created the input scanner, create a scanner in main, and then I'm just going to have a variable called int. So I'm just going to day of week. So day of week. We're not going to initialize it. So we're going to do a simple print statement saying enter the day of the week. So enter the day of the week. Like I said, today is Saturday. I'm going to hit number 6. I usually like to give examples for the user. So i.e. Monday is equal to 1, and then on Sunday is equal to 7. Closing, so dot closing. Okay, so enter the day of the week, i.e. Monday is equal to 1 and Sunday is equal to 7. Now we're gonna put an input statement, so day of week is equal to input dot next int. So assuming that I hit number 6 into day of week, and then the switch will determine what number gets printed. So I'll explain more. So I can put day of week here inside the switch condition. Awesome. The computer also highlights it for me. So day of week, day of week, day of week. Now, this is the magic. So I go case 1. Assuming case 1 and you have your column, you have your print statement saying Monday. Just gonna refresh this. Monday. And the key to this is you have to put in a break line. Otherwise, the computer is gonna print everything together. I'll give you an example. So I'm gonna repeat this. I'm just gonna type it again one more time. Case 2, SYSO, Tuesday. And then I'm gonna have a break. And you do that for all your other ones. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Because coders will like copy and pasting. But you have to change it. So Monday, Tuesday, we got Wednesday, and then we have Thursday, And then we have Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. So obviously these are underlined because these are duplicate cases. So I'm just going to put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. So there's no errors. There's a shorter way to make things look good. So I just go Control A. I go to Source at the top, and I go Format Element. And it will just make things nicely. Okay, so assuming I don't have breaks for number 6 and number 7 and number 5, and I'll show you why the breaks are very important. Since I have all my cases 1 to 7, I assume that someone entered 8, and there's no day after Sunday. It just goes back to Monday. So we're going to have a default statement. And we're just going to call it you entered a wrong value. Then refresh this. So you entered a wrong value. Let's give this a try and run it and see what happens. So run this code. It's running. Let's run it again. Okay, enter the day of the week. I need Monday 1, Sunday 7. So today is Saturday. So I hit number 6. You see, when I hit Saturday, it goes Saturday, Sunday, you entered the wrong value. The reason is I did not put break statements. So once the case has been initialized, you need to break it by putting break statements. Let's run it again. I hit 6. Awesome, Saturday. And like I said, I want Wednesday. Wednesday is 3, so I just hit 3. Wednesday. So this is a simple switch statement. I'll just do a little recap. A scanner is a switch statement, execute statements based on the value of a variable. So we put a value into day of week. So Wednesday was number 3. Based on the value of a variable or an expression. So today we just use value. You create your print statement and instructions. Give an example to the user. This is going to make things very clear. Put an input statement, and now you have a switch statement. And the switch statement determines and prints out certain results. So day of week, number 1 will be Monday, number 2 will be Tuesday, number 3 will be Wednesday, etc. Make sure you have your break statements after each cases. This is a common error, and it will just print out all the stuff, but you'll fix it very easily. And you can have a default statement. Default statements are sometimes optional, but I usually put it in all my codes. So give this a try and be creative, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.